Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be talking about the Foxpark backup camera. This is the model Solar 3B, and so this will be for vehicles that don't have a backup camera. We have a 2018 Ford F-250, and it didn't, when we purchased it used, it didn't have a backup camera. So we're going to be adding it to our F-250 Ford, and we'll show you the installation process. They claim the installation only takes 3 minutes, which it looks like it should. Comes with this manual, came in this box, and I'll show you more about it here before we actually go out and install the camera. This has a vivid, they call it a vivid 5-inch monitor. Shows colors in dark or light. It shows it at 1080p, so it should be really handy for what we're going to be using it for. So this is the part that gets installed on the back of the truck. It is has a solar panel, and the camera is right here, and you attach it behind your license plate. So really easy and simple, and the battery stays charged with solar, so that part's really nice. I did charge this initially. It has a place for a USB port, so you can charge it that way, but once we install it, we don't use the pickup that often for long trips. The battery will run continuously and keep it charged for 7.5 hours. So most trips we go on aren't that far. In the meantime, it'll continue to charge back up with the solar. This is IP69 waterproof, so you don't need to worry about if it's raining and snowing. This is waterproof and shouldn't be a problem.
Here's what we're going to install. This is the backup camera, and it's going to go just like that, except I'm going to put it behind the license plate so it's secured. So we'll just take this off.
So you can, the system's set up to handle 2 cameras, so if you wanted one on the side of your vehicle or on the front license plate, you could do that too. The whole system's completely wireless.
Okay, we got it plugged into the cigarette lighter type plug-in, and there's the monitor, and so we're going to back up toward the garage door and just check it out. So that's something we've struggled with quite a few times, is making sure we can back up toward the garage door but not, hit it. So there it is.
Go to the red line and stop. So we haven't been able to do that in the past without somebody getting out to show that.
Yeah.
Now we'll go out to our oftentimes we have to back up to where we have our logs stacked, and you really can't tell how close you are. So that'll be the next thing we do here.
Alright, we're backing up to a row of logs. It's kind of bumpy ground, but usually I have to get out, or one of us has to get out to see how close we're getting.
really cool.
That's pretty cool.
Now we'll back up to the trailer. So the features I really like about this are the easy installation. Took Lori probably no more than 3 minutes to mount the camera. And then the fact that you can add a second camera to it. So if you wanted one on the front or to be able to see on the side on this monitor, you can switch back and forth between the two channels. That's channel 1 and channel 2. And that the system's 100% wireless. That makes it really nice. You don't have all the wires that you do with some cameras. You have to run a wire to wherever the camera is to connect with the inside monitor. This doesn't have any of that, so it's
And
really
it
nice.
charges solar, right? It's
Yeah, and it has a solar charger, so
yeah.
really nice setup.
Yeah, I like it.
So glad we have it.
Me too. Now this is something we always have to work tandem on, which we probably still will somewhat, but like at least Steve can back up pretty close to where he needs it to be, and then I just have to get out, you know, right at the end to manage stuff. So
The camera is 70, it'll tilt 70 degrees up and down, 70 degrees total, so 35 up, 35 down. I'm gonna have Lori go change the camera to see if we can actually see the ball on the pickup.
okay.
Because if we can see the ball, then I can back right up to the hitch. I don't know if you can see that, but Lori adjusts the camera down and I can actually see the ball on the pickup. So I'm going to try to back up to the receiver.
I think you got it.
I think I got it. Yep. How cool is that?
Yeah.
Really like it.
Yes. Perfect spot. It's ready to be lowered down and hooked together.
That worked really nice. So we're both really happy with this backup system.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.